Hello, my name is Lita Ghani, and I am founder of Connection to Healing, home of the Infinite Child Institute. And with me is Hannah. Now, Hannah is one of our many students who can do something very special. She can read and she can see without her physical eyes. And no, it isn't Braille. Hannah, what is it?
It's infinite light vision.
It's her infinite light vision. It's using her third eye. It's using seeing through her heart center. Now, Hannah's going to demonstrate in a moment. But first, we just want to share with you some of the amazing things this modality can do for children. Now, my husband and I have been working with children since 2017. And just going through the process of learning and practicing the techniques can do so much. It can bring healing, shifts, transformation, increased intuition, improvement academically, emotionally, socially. Hannah, what has it done for you?
I had to get a tutor before, and then when I started doing infinite light vision, it helped me so much with my math, and then I didn't have to use a tutor anymore.
That's right. And also, Hannah has become very perceptive. She's learned that she's a healer. She's able to feel and be very sensitive to energies. So this also helps the children discover who they really are and what they've come here in Earth to do. Now, I know everybody is waiting to see you demonstrate. Now, you can't see through the mask.
I
Right.
cannot.
She cannot see through the mask. And what do you do with your eyes?
I close my eyes always.
Her eyes are closed. So let's give a little demonstration. Okay, so you can put it on. And I know some people might say, well, there still must be a way that she's peeking through the mask.
It's pitch black.
No. Okay, so I'm just going to give her a dice and let's take a number here and see if she can tell us the color and the number on the dice.
The color is yellow and the number is 6.
Okay, thank you. That's what that was. And I'm giving you another one.
The color is red and the number is 2.
Mm-hmm. And how about one more?
The color is green and the number is 5.
Okay, thank you. And let's just take a couple of word cards here.
But.
Mm-hmm. And how about this one?
Hi.
Okay, and one more.
You.
Thank you. And this is just a book, and I'm going to open to a random page here. Here's the random page. Okay, and let's see if you can read this.
I can help you, said Stuart. He pulled the hook out. Thank you, cried the fish. You are welcome, said Stuart.
There you have it. Now, my husband, David, and I, and Hannah's going to be helping too. We're going to be facilitating a 6-week workshop. It's called Infinite Light Training for Children, and parents are an integral part of this process. And the most wonderful thing is that as the children shift into a new way of heart seeing and being, the adults shift too. We so hope you will join us in this amazing spiritual adventure, an adventure into thoughts, energies, consciousness. And open the door to a whole new world with your child of infinite love vision. So we hope to see you with our infinite light vision. Bye.